This guide will help you optimize your Overwatch 2 experience by addressing server timeout issues. Follow these steps to improve your connection and gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or high latency. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster connection, reducing the chances of server timeouts. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and prioritize gaming traffic by enabling quality of service (QoS) features. This can help ensure that your gaming data gets the bandwidth it needs. Step 5. Contact your ISP. If you continue to experience server timeout issues, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify and resolve any underlying connectivity problems. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your Overwatch 2 experience and reduce server timeout occurrences. Enjoy your gaming.